Yamaha MT-03 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. As more people discover the joys of motorcycling, the need for beginner-friendly bikes has never been greater. Yamaha has consistently delivered motorcycles that are fun, practical, and accessible, and the Yamaha MT-03 is a shining example. For riders just starting their two-wheel journey, the MT-03 is quickly gaining recognition as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in 2025. Part of Yamaha's popular MT, Master of Torque, lineup, the MT-03 brings the aggressive style and performance associated with its larger siblings, but in a lightweight and manageable package tailored for entry-level riders. With a striking naked street fighter design and easy-to-handle performance, the MT-03 is everything a beginner could hope for and more. At the heart of the MT-03 is a 321 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, shared with the acclaimed YZF-R3. Producing a healthy 41 horsepower, the engine is both smooth and responsive, offering enough power for city commuting, weekend rides, and even light touring. The power delivery is linear and predictable, ideal for new riders who are still learning throttle control and shifting techniques. What truly sets the MT-03 apart is its lightweight chassis and low seat height. Weighing just 168 kilograms, 370 pounds, wet and featuring a seat height of 780 millimeters, 30.7 inches, the bike is approachable for a wide range of rider heights and builds. This makes low-speed handling and parking much less intimidating for beginners. Whether weaving through city traffic or practicing figure eights in a parking lot, the MT-03 feels agile and confidence-inspiring. The suspension setup includes a 37mm inverted front fork and a monoshock rear, offering a stable and comfortable ride, while disc brakes with standard ABS ensure safe and effective stopping power. The wide handlebars and upright seating position not only enhance visibility and comfort but also make it easier for new riders to control the bike. Visually, the MT-03 turns heads with its aggressive styling. The sharp LED headlamp, minimalist bodywork, and exposed engine give it a muscular street fighter look that belies its entry-level status. It's a bike that looks fast even when standing still, a big bonus for riders who want style without breaking the bank. In terms of value, the MT-03 is competitively priced, making it an excellent choice for first-time buyers. Its fuel efficiency and Yamaha's well-known reliability further reduce the cost of ownership, making it both fun and economical to ride. In conclusion, the Yamaha MT-03 checks every box for a beginner motorcycle. It's lightweight, stylish, powerful without being overwhelming, and backed by Yamaha's trusted engineering. Whether you're learning to ride, commuting through town, or just looking for your first taste of freedom on two wheels, the MT-03 stands out as one of the best beginner motorcycles on the market in 2025.